You may have seen this company on Dragon's Den.
We are here to ask for $60,000 in exchange for 10% of our business. African products are nowhere to be found. Dragons. Today, I'm about to show you how you can become an African cuisine chef in a minute.
Taltis Foods makes it easier to make African cuisine at home. It saves you time and effort. But the one question we want to find out today, is it tastier?
So to put a spin on all of this, my mom is actually in town and she's going to be making jollof the OG Ghana way that we all know and love, and that we know that is better than Nigerian jollof rice. Nice.
Don't mention Nigerians, let's leave it out.
Okay, I said it.
Yeah, boy.
So that's one pot, and the next pot is going to be using Taltis jollof sauce. So we want to know today, does saving time ultimately compromise taste, or can you get the real authentic jollof taste even though you go this route?
I just want to say that I'm excited because regardless, this is 2 pots of jollof, so it's a win-win to be honest. Today we'll be using Taltis Foods hot jollof sauce. We're going to follow the recipe indicated on the jar, and we have all of our ingredients already portioned out here. We're going to use olive oil. We're going to use 1 jar of this sauce, 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of stock.
A few moments later.
Now it's time to make Ghana jollof. Here are all of our fresh ingredients prepped and ready to go. We're going to start off with olive oil in the pan. We're going to fry in 2 large yellow onions, add 3 diced tomatoes, a Scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to blend tomatoes with a bit of onion, ginger, pepper, and also add Maggi cubes, curry paprika, and garlic powder. We're going to add in our washed rice. We're going to add in our meat stock and some salt. And now we wait.
Much later.
Okay, the food is ready. It looks really good.
Amazing.
I'm excited.
So that's the Taltis one.
Yep.
And then this is the Ghana jollof one. So this is super interesting because right off the bat, this one has more color than the one that my mom made. That's because this one is more bell pepper based.
Yeah.
Right?
Red bell pepper.
Exactly. And this one is tomato based without the tomato paste, just to keep it a little bit healthier. So it's going to be interesting to see how it goes. So which one should we try first?
Taltis, of course. The
Okay.
guest. Let's try our guest. It's not bad.
This is not bad at all.
Okay, Taltis. I mean, this is really good. This is a really good attempt.
It's a good attempt, right? Like, I think you have that jollof flavor, that jollof profile there. So it is in jollof land. It doesn't feel like this is not jollof. I think that we're missing that depth of flavor.
Yeah, like if someone cooked this and made it for me, I wouldn't assume it was from a jar or something. I would assume like, yeah, they just made jollof.
Right. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's see what that looks like or what that tastes like.
I'm checking.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
All right, so there is an interesting contrast going on here. This one has a sweeter base. This one has more flavor, it packs more flavor than this one does. Although the color isn't there as much as the one from Taltis, but this one definitely gives you that wholesome, homey, flavorful. You have different layers of flavoring in there, and it definitely does taste better than the one from Taltis. However, this one is a very, very good attempt.
Yeah.
If I had to rate it, I would rate this one an 8.5 and I'll rate this one a 6.5.
Yeah. I was gonna say like 7.5. Like it's not bad.
7.
I would make it again. I would make it a bit differently, but
Yes.
100% I would buy their jar and make jollof with it. Like,
100%. Well, thank you guys so much. We hope you enjoyed this one. Let us know what you want us to do next. I know we haven't done this in a while, but hey, we're jumping back into See you on next episode of Best Chef.